Now we have the SQL Server resource group, and node 2 is active and node 1 is passive. Okay, let us install the SQL Server failover cluster. I'm going to install the SQL Server installation again for the active. Click installation. Click new SQL Server failover cluster installation. We will close out the management studio. We don't need this for now. Click OK. Okay, everything seems to be fine. Click next. 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 We will install database engine. And that's pretty much it. We already have the management studio, so that is why it is grayed out. Click next. Oh, by the way, let us check if we have any free storage. I'm not sure whether we have any free disk available. Let's check that. Okay, the cluster disk 3 is available, so we can install this cluster, the second cluster, on the disk 3. Okay, we need to give the new name. So the earlier network name, it was dev SQL CLU, and now for this I'm going to give dev SQL CLU 1. Okay, I cannot select default because already default instance of SQL Server is running on one cluster, so I have to select the named instance. So I'll give different name for that. By default, instance ID will take from named instance. If you want, you can change that. Click next. Click next. This is the resource group name, and if you want we can change that. That is fine. I'm just going to leave as it is. Click next. It says the cluster disk 3 is available. Rest of the disks are allocated. so which is fine. Click next. Not DHCP, static IP address. I think for failover cluster we have assigned one IP address. Yeah, for active we reserved 118, so let's use 118. Okay, click next. Next. Here I will select cluster administrator, the domain admin, meta manager, this is the domain, and CLU ADM, this is the domain user which has the domain admin access. I'm going to use this account for all the services. If we want, we can change that. Typically agent should be using different account than engine, because agent need more access than engine. Engine should not have too many access, otherwise it would be a problem. But for this demo purpose I used both, so that is fine. Add current user. If we want, we can change the data directories. Yep, that's pretty much it. Click install. It will install new failover cluster like this. Okay, it will take some time. What I will do, I will pause the video here, and I'll be back after the installation.